Waking up in Vegas. We're at Fontainebleau. Here's Vegas behind us. You can see the Strata a little bit. You can see a little bit of Vegas, but we're rocking my new shirt. What do you guys think of my new shirt here?
When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight.
Welcome back to Vegas, Gabe. I am super excited. I got another hotel room tour for you. This time we're at Fontainebleau, technically just off the Vegas Strip. It's the newest, I believe it's still the newest hotel and casino on the Strip, at least for now. But I'm super excited to show you guys this room tour. Here's the lobby. It's absolutely gorgeous in here, as you can see. Let me flip the camera and show you around real quick though. So it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful lobby. So this is the lobby area. That's the check-in area over here. I just got through that line. That goes out to the outside of the hotel. Here's the bell desk area. Absolutely, it's just beautiful in here. The staff was very friendly during the check-in area. That goes out to the conference center, ride share area, and self-park area. But let's go up to the room and check it out. So it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful lobby. So this is the lobby area. That's the check-in area over here. I just got through that line. That goes out to the outside of the hotel. Here's the bell desk area. Absolutely, it's just beautiful in here. The staff was very friendly during the check-in area. That goes out to the conference center, ride share area, and self-park area. But let's go up to the room and check it out. All right, guys, so you just follow the signs for guest elevators and follow it. So we're gonna go here to the left, but it actually does run into the casino. So already get into the casino. Look at this beautiful chandelier. It's so nice here. I'm super excited. We're gonna go to the room and check it out. So here's the hallway to the rooms. As you can tell, like really nice doors, really nice carpet and everything. So pretty sharp here, actually. All right, guys, I'm super excited to announce that we're giving away $500 every single month to my subscribers. All you have to do is scan that QR code below and register. And we're giving $125 weekly. So scan that QR code below and you get to play your favorite games from the comfort of your own home. You'll get to see me playing my favorite games online too. So scan that QR code below, play your favorite games online, comment below, let me know that you registered, play your favorite games, and I'll see you online. And good luck. I hope you win that money. All right, I'm excited to show you guys this one. I've heard great things. I've heard it's a very upscale property. So first thing first, right when you walk in, you have your lights that you can set up already. You can even open the drapes from here. You can stop the drapes, you can close the drapes. The shears, the white ones underneath it, you can open those, you can stop those, you can close them. Rooms or like some kind of service, privacy so you don't get bothered. You can turn on the lights right from here. It's all digital, which is pretty neat. You got tile. I like the tile instead of the carpet. Immediately right when you come in, you got a mirror to your left. From the camera to your right. You can check yourself before hitting the casino, before hitting the strip, whatever. On this side right across you have the bathroom. So the lights are all digital again. We're going to turn them all on. So one touch, it's all digital, everything just turned on. First of all, look at that shower. It's an amazing shower. It is basically one of those showers that I like with the shower on the top, so it kind of feels like that rainfall kind of type in a way. You have a hook here, but it's a nice, beautiful shower. More than one person fit in there. Take that however you want, but I think that's pretty cool. What's pretty neat too is that the toilet has its own door as well for privacy. That's pretty neat. That room right there is probably what they rent out in New York City for like $1,500 for this little space right here. So no, it's pretty neat though. It's pretty cool. Nice his and her sinks right here. So you both, if you're here together, you can brush your teeth, wash your hands together, whatever you need to. Plenty of towels. You got a bathtub here. It's actually a really nice deep bathtub, right, babe? Yeah, it's actually a pretty nice big deep bathtub. So if I would have known, I would have got you some shower, like one of those bath bombs or something. All right, now let's check out the rest of the room. It's an absolutely beautiful room. I mean, it's I don't even know, a couple years old now, so it's not very old at all. You could tell the tile, the carpet, it's still nice. Beautiful art on the wall. You got a nice little couch here. You guys know, if you watch my room tours, if you guys have watched my videos before, you guys know I'm a fan of when they have the charging ports and all that here. Plenty you have two power outlets, two USB 3.0s, two USB Type Cs. Again, you can control your lighting right from here. You can control the drapes and the shears right from here. If you need a phone, it's here. I don't know who would need a phone anymore. You got some writing utensils here. If you're here long-term stay, you do have some kind of storage here, but I never use these things. And the bed, since we're here, let's do the bed check, right? We got to do the bed check. So, oh, this is like a memory mattress. I can already feel it. The minute you sit down, you feel that memory like that memory foam mattress. Oh, that's nice. It's different. I would say this is probably the first one I felt out of all the MGM properties we've stayed at, all the properties. This is the first one that feels like that memory foam mattress, if that makes sense. It feels comfortable though. And then of course, let's do the check. Let's see the pillows. Nice fluffy pillows too. I think we're gonna sleep really well here today, babe. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's pretty comfortable actually. I think we're gonna sleep good here. Hopefully the AC is nice and cold. We're gonna go to the pool in a little bit, so we'll leave the air cranking so when we come back in here it's nice and cool. We also have some plans for dinner, so after that it should be nice and cold. Let's check out the rest of the room though. So, what is this for anyway, babe? I don't even know.
Chair.
It's just at the end of the bed?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the do not touch area. Don't ever touch that. What's interesting, guys, is I gotta go tell the front desk, because notice how that box is tilted over, and it's a sensor with only 60 seconds. So I'm gonna tell the front desk about that one, and I'm also gonna mention that that one's missing right there. So I don't want to get charged for anything. Those are super expensive, so don't ever touch those. You do have where you can go get ice, and from here, the ice room was only maybe a 25 feet walk away. So you do have where you can go get ice. We're gonna actually utilize that today. We got people coming over. We're gonna have a couple of drinks and then go to the pool. So we're actually gonna utilize this today. You got more power outlets. Another power outlet here. A USB. Type C and a USB 3.0 there, which is pretty cool. A couple of glasses that it came with. Yeah, again, beautiful art and stuff like that. And then again on this side, you have the same thing. You can control the lighting, you can control the drapes, you can control the shears. Again, more outlets. I think that's super important. When we stayed at Excalibur, it only had them on one side and they were super old. So it was, yeah, anyway, I'm a fan when you have them on both sides. I think that's really important. So plenty of outlets. I love that. That's awesome. Here, since we're here, babe, do you want to go and film towards the, you don't have to touch it, just film towards the drapes. You don't have to touch anything. Don't touch anything. Just film it. And I'm going to open it from here. So see how it's electronic? So I'm pressing the button right here and it's opening them or closing them. So I'm going to press it again. Should open them now. There we go. Yeah, it's all electronic. So I'm just pressing a button and it's opening them up. Oh, that's kind of cool. We get to see what kind of a view we have too. So it was just one button. It opened it right up. Now I'm going to press the other button. Do you want to show the button, babe? Right here?
Show everything.
Okay, well, I mean, then turn the camera towards me. Thank you. So I'm going to press the button right here, shears, and it should open up the white part now over there. If you want to show it, babe. There we go. So yeah, it's all electronic. So it's pretty cool. It's great. You can open it up in the morning if you want some natural light in here. And then this is the first time me and my girlfriend are seeing the view too. So not too much of a view, but we're on the 21st floor. So let's see what you can see from here. You can see Circa. Circa's in downtown, but you can actually, you have a view of Circa. You have a view of the Strat. You have a view of the Welcome to Las Vegas arc, like going towards downtown. So it's kind of cool though, but everything is electronic, which I think is great. You have a little table here. So if you have breakfast, coffee in the morning, you can come have your breakfast and coffee here. So overall, it's a great room. So we'll show you guys more around the property. We're going to be here for 2 nights. We stayed here for 2 nights on purpose. So we have tomorrow to go hang out at the pool and not like, if we only had 1 night, guys, it's already 4:52 after with the check-in line and everything. We would have had 1.5 hours in the pool, and then they kick us out of the pool. So we did 2 days, so we can show you guys around the pool properly tomorrow. So we're gonna be here for 2 days, or I should say 2 nights. So we're gonna have a lot of time to show you guys around the property. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the room tour. The rest is gonna be the pool, showing you guys around the property, the hotel, the pool. So stay tuned for more information. Hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you when we're downstairs. All right, also we are at the Fontainebleau pool. This is the 21 and up area. This is one of 2. It's pretty cool actually. So 21 and up here. All right, and then I think this is their main pool. It's their all-age pool, so anyone can go here. Pretty big size pool. Tons of chairs here. So I think that's great because I hate a pool where you have to do multiple laps trying to find somewhere where you can put your towel down. So I'm sure on weekends it gets crazy. This is during the week, so maybe we're just seeing that kind of from a during the week view. But yeah, really nice pool. It's actually a decent sized pool too. And we're gonna walk around and kind of get a different view. Actually, we got some seats in the shade, which is pretty great. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys. Yeah, this is their main pool area. I don't know what's over there, but they have a lot of stuff over there. But beautiful, beautiful pool. UC Resort World is very close by. There's Wind and Encore. Yeah, beautiful. It's very hot out here, but overall, I'm enjoying it. So I'm gonna jump in the pool, guys. So I'll check in with you guys after the pool. All right. So when you're leaving the hotel to go back to self-parking, you got to make a right here, and then this will lead you back towards the lobby. And then from the lobby, you can actually get to the self-parking. This is called Collins. Look how amazing this bar looks, though. Looks really nice in there. Great bar selection. Wow. Good morning from the wonderful Las Vegas. We are waking up and getting ready in our room at Fontainebleau. Overall, we slept really well here. The bed was really comfortable. It's quiet here. So overall, I'm enjoying the stay so far. The one thing that I think me and my girlfriend agreed on was the air. The air didn't get as cold as we would have liked it to. We set it to the lowest it can go, and I still felt like it was a little bit, it was cool, but not cold, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? But overall, we slept really comfortably here. That's the only thing I can kind of say was the air didn't get as cold as I would like it to. But overall, I'm enjoying the stay. We're getting ready right now. Plus, I'm also debuting my new t-shirt here. What do you guys think? My girlfriend actually designed the design for me and surprised me with the t-shirt. So I think it's solid. This probably will be the new logo for my Vegas Gabe channel, not the slot channel, the main channel, the channel you're watching this on. But yeah, we slept really comfortably here overall. We're getting ready. We're gonna go get coffee. We're gonna get coffee somewhere outside of here. We didn't see any really good coffee options in here that we really kind of want to go try, and they're probably going to be pricey without knowing if we're really going to like them or not anyway. So we're going to go buy some coffee somewhere else. My girlfriend forgot her swimsuit, so instead of going home, we're probably going to go to like a Ross or like a Burlington or something nearby and get a swimsuit for her. But other than that, I'll update you guys once we're out of the room. All right, y'all. One thing I forgot to mention during the main walkthrough of the room is you do have a closet space, and the light turns on automatically when you're opening the doors. It closes automatically. So you have one bathrobe in here. There's another bathrobe in the bathroom, so it's enough for 2 people. You got your Fontainebleau slippers in here. What is this actually? Oh, to help you put on shoes. Wow, that's pretty thoughtful actually. There's like a laundry bag in there, and they have laundry and dry cleaning prices. For jeans, it's about dry cleaning is 14, laundry is 12, press only is 11. So, I mean, hey, that's Vegas prices though. You got plenty of hangers. You got an iron up there. And then you have a safe. A lot of people care about a safe. You do have your safe here. So yeah, I forgot to mention that in the video, but it's here. All right, so this is Collins. We passed by it yesterday, but it was open and it was kind of busy, so I don't want to be like that nosy guy, but how beautiful it is in here. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Look at that piano right when you walk in. Those tables are absolutely amazing. The art on the walls, the lighting, everything is just so gorgeous. Look at that actual bar top too. Really nice property up at that bar, or really nice different types of liqueur up at that bar top and everything. Really nice looking in here. Wow, pretty cool to go have a drink in there, huh? So here's like past their lobby area. They have another beautiful chandelier here. From here you can see the casino straight ahead, or you can go upstairs. It just said shopping up there, so we're gonna go take a look upstairs and see what's up here. But we were talking about this earlier. They did a great job. You check in, it's an absolutely beautiful lobby. Then from the lobby, it gives you that luxury feeling. You don't see any sights of casino or anything. So what I was trying to say is like they did a great job of separating the casino and like their luxury side of it. They did a great job. So up here is supposed to be shopping, so we're gonna get a good feel for it. So this way they have Poppy Steak, they have a theater, conference center, food hall, and Komodo. Pretty neat actually. Cantina Con Ramor. I hope I said that right. Wow, this is really nice. They have a bar right here in the middle, which I think is a nice touch. So here is Komodo. Looks really nice in here. Let's see some of these prices here. Maine lobster kamikaze is 35. American Wagyu filet is 81. Snake River Farms New York strip is 95. They got dim sum. They got all kinds of stuff. Wow. Here's another view of that bar in the middle. They got Miami Slice. I think this is the one I've seen videos on. It was like a slice and a soda for like, I saw those videos on like TikTok, but really nice in here. They have a lobster shack here too. It looks like fisherman's platter is $48. They got belly clam platter for $39, shrimp and calamari platter for $28. So they have roadside taco here. Chicken tacos $8. Carne asada tacos $10. Beef BDS $10. Award-winning burgers here too. And they have one more spot over here. So that bar in the center, it's called Bar Ito. I think I said that right. Let's get a view from the top floor real quick. Alright guys, this is a 21 and over pool. So we're going to be hanging out here for about an hour or so. This is smaller, but it's much quieter than the all-age pool. It was actually pretty busy today, so we ended up coming over here. 1, 2, 3. Nice thing about having a pretty nice suite like this is that it has a nice bathtub, so we're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, we just luckily, don't ask me how, but we had a couple in my trunk, so that actually worked out pretty well for us. I didn't plan it. It just worked out nicely that there was a couple in the trunk. So yeah, if you're coming here, you can actually enjoy the bath bomb or enjoy the bathtub. All right, good morning from the amazing Las Vegas, Nevada. We just finished our second night stay here. Overall, I gotta say we enjoyed the stay at Fontainebleau. Everything's been great. The room was amazing. They did clean our room. So since we're here 2 days, they did clean our room. We got room service, or I should say housekeeping service, the second day of our stay here. And they did a great job cleaning it. The room was so comfortable. The bed was comfortable. The pillows were comfortable. The bathroom, the shower tub, the shower was great. Tons of pressure. I really enjoyed my stay here. We went and checked out the different restaurants that they have here, and I really wanted to try that burger place, but I think we're gonna come back and try it a different time. But yeah, overall it was a great stay at Fontainebleau. I do recommend it. The parking garage is a little weird, but other than that, we had a great time here. It doesn't take too long to get from the casino floor to the room, which is great. You've heard me mention that in other places, like at our New York stay. So overall, I really enjoyed it here. My girlfriend really enjoyed it here because she's talking about looking for room rates already for another stay. So I know she really liked it here. The pool is great. I feel like the pool opens up earlier. I think it's 8 a.m. compared to some of the MGM properties that we stayed at. So I genuinely enjoyed it, guys. So if you stayed here at Fontainebleau, let me know your experiences down in the comments. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy doing these room tours. So please hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. That way I know to do more of them, and it really supports the channel going forward. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.